Hey everyone, big shout outs to all your fantastic bookings. Look at all the entries we had for the hashtag Paint the Town Pink. You guys have done an amazing job painting it pink for Help with Cancer and regular shows as well. Food bank fundraisers and personal fundraisers, all great shows. Look at these. These are all new additions to our show schedule since we launched that incentive a couple of weeks ago. So let's see who our winner is going to be for a $25 Amazon gift card. Let's go.
I'll vote no.
Yes.
Woo! We have a winner, Leslie. Oh my goodness, brand new consultant who just booked 2 shows just in the nick of time. Congratulations.